My name is Dave Johnston, and I'm an associate professor of the practice of marine conservation and ecology at the Duke University Marine Lab. And I'm also the director of the Marine Robotics and Remote Sensing Lab here down in Beaufort, North Carolina.
Our facility here at the Duke Marine Lab is pretty unique. We have a facility that's dedicated to the use of drones in marine science and conservation. There's actually no other facility like that I know of in the US.
We focus mostly on aerial drones, but we also use surface vehicles, robotic beach crawlers, different kinds of robots to sample the environment in ways that are very immediate, very rapid.
So drones are actually pretty new to marine science and conservation, and they are truly revolutionizing how we can actually do research in these coastal environments.
Drone technology can be very useful to collect very high-resolution information with the ability to track, the behavior of individual sharks or to count sea turtles, everything from oysters to large animals that have ever lived on planet Earth. Our work in Antarctica is focused on how rapidly those environments are changing and how whale populations are changing in response to climate change. With thermal sensors, we can actually look at how animals are changing their behavior in relationship to the temperatures of the environment around them. The technology creates new opportunities for us to do science that just weren't available before. I think it's always inspirational for people to see the planet from a distance. Astronauts standing on the moon, the very first remote sensing satellite imagery of the planet gave people a much better understanding of the system. And drones are an extension to that. Now we provide that sort of overhead perspective, but just with incredible detail.
One of our key missions here is training and to be able to get students to fly drones safely and effectively in marine science.
Excellent. In a lot of cases, the work that we do can be broken down into these sort of bite-sized chunks. And that's really awesome for students so that we can kind of deconstruct a larger problem and have students come and work with us, bring their ingenuity and their energy to solve these problems. And that's really the future of where this technology is going.